Alright guys, Neil here with the Rowdy's YouTube channel, and I'm going to start a new video series where I'm going to be restoring this 1998 Palomino truck camper that I got from my 1998 Toyota Tacoma 4x4 here. This first video is going to be just the overview of the camper, looking at some of the stuff it's got, and then also me and Goomba taking everything out, cleaning it, and then getting everything ready. We're going to rip out some of the old appliances and stuff that I'm not going to be using in there. Alright, and then to pop the top, you just got 5 little latches right here that just undo. It's got 2 latches in the back, 1 on the right side, and 2 up front. Here we go. Check it out.
Fucking couch. That's my spot.
Yeah, so look at how much room we got in here, bro.
Oh yeah. Dude, I would totally crash right here.
Does it fit?
Yeah, with a fucking pillow, I'd be chilling.
Yeah, especially if you were after a good amount of brewskis.
Oh, I wouldn't care where I fucking passed out at.
Oh man, this thing is crazy, dude. Oh, I didn't even look. I forgot to look in here when I bought the thing. Oh my gosh, it's a...
Yes!
Bro, I never even opened that when I bought the camera. Holy shit,
God,
fucking goddamn. These fucking stupid New Mexican moths.
Oh my
Holy
God.
shit, hella New Mexican moths. Holy shit, bro, they're fucking, oh my god, they're swarming. Bro, I wonder if it's already been shot in. Oh, it's open, that means it's probably used, bro. Oh, it looks clean though.
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, I'm using this baby.
Oh no, you're not.
Oh shit, there's fucking ants everywhere.
Is there ants on it? Oh shit, yeah, ants. People eating. Oh, what the fuck is that? Yeah. Oh yeah. What we have in here? Oh my god, there's so many fucking of those moths, dude. Yo, is anybody watching this? Do you guys know what the fuck those are? And do I need to be concerned? The guy said there's some sketchy moth from New Mexico that we don't have here in Arizona. I don't know what the fuck that is. Oh, see how the guy's got his little sink set up? Just a jug of water?
Yeah.
With a little, I think this is just a little pump sink.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, see, so that I'll probably keep. The sink I'll probably keep. Check that out, bro. Check it. One homie can sit out. One homie can sit like right here, basically. Damn, what the fuck? Check this out.
No, I saw that.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Damn, that's dope. I'll put my weed in here. You put your weed in there.
Oh, and you can put your weed in there.
Yeah, this will be sick. Oh my god, we got a live one again. Oh my god, we got more live ones. Oh, fuck, bro. Ditch that thing. Ditch that thing out of here. A dip. Get this thing out of here, bro. It's infested.
Wait.
Holy shit. Here, watch out, bro. Holy shit.
Shit.
Yo, there's fucking these things everywhere, bro.
Underneath the cushions and shit.
Oh my god!
Oh, I fucking hate bugs and shit. It stinks in here, bro. The fucking musty, stinky fucking smell. Fucking bro, get the trash ready. Oh my lord. Oh god.
More shit?
Oh fucking Christ. Yeah, I'm done throwing shit. Yeah, my bad, I'm done throwing shit. Woo! Yeah, I'm gonna take out this stove because I'm not gonna be running this. I don't want to be running propane through the camper. So I'm just gonna, if and when I need to cook in the camper, I'm just gonna bring a little Coleman in here and just have a flat top right here. Pour some water down into the sink, and then I'm gonna let it drain real quick. Okay, go for it.
Alright, going.
Okay. There you go, man. The USA sink. That's pretty cool. We're gonna keep that and reuse it. Whew. Making progress. Turn this. Loosen that. Oh, there you go. There's that. And then how do I get this thing off? Do I just twist it?
That should unscrew.
Alrighty, I got the propane thing out, propane canister out. Now I'm gonna get the little thing that holds the propane canister out. Sometimes it's what you gotta do, man. You gotta cut ties. You guys know what I'm talking about. Sometimes you gotta just cut ties with people and whatnot. And yeah. Oh gosh, damn it! Just the wires attached. No, I'm just kidding. Just got the fridge out. It was just a few bolts, and then it was just actually like 4 bolts holding it on, and then a couple wires and hoses on the back. You have to take 2 adjustable wrenches and undo the propane fitting to get that one off, and then you got to just cut these wires. Oh, this nasty old insulation. Oh man, this is nasty. Don't be breathing that in. Whoa. Yeah, I know a lot of guys out there are running their stoves for heat in their camper, but it says right there not to do that. It says it right there, don't be doing that. It says it right there, not safe. Alright, well it's freaking downpouring here, so we're gonna see if this fucker leaks. I don't know if I should put the top down though or not, or just let it get rained on. I feel like I should put it down, but then again, I guess I'm gonna have to test it one way or another. Close that up. Alright, and in a couple of days the rain has stopped, the monsoon is gone, and it is bright and sunny in Phoenix, Arizona once again. I think I'm ready to wrap up this first video here. I got everything stripped out and clean like I wanted. I got all the appliances and things that I wasn't going to be using taken out, and I got it all prepped basically. Now I can go ahead and take off all the cabinet hardware and go ahead and get that painted and get this top deck, get everything taped off, and get some of this stuff painted, and get in here and paint these countertops nice bright white, and then she'll be looking good. Alright guys, well that's it for this one. Go ahead and do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and leave a comment down below if you like, and stay tuned for the next one. The next one I'm going to be repairing some water damage I got here, and sealing up the roof vent and some of the other things around the camper. And I'm also going to be putting bug screen on the external storage compartments and all the vents on the camper too, so I don't get any bugs or any critters coming in here. I'll see you guys for the next one.